Hello everybody, long time no see. It's been a while since I made a video, but today's actually a pretty big day for me. Well, at least for this tractor. You see, today marks the 1-year anniversary of this tractor running and driving. When I first got this tractor, it did run, but the electrical was all kind of messed up. But me and my buddy Larry, we rewired it and got it running and driving. So today marks the 1-year anniversary of it running and driving again. It runs and drives pretty good. Needs a little more fine tuning, but it's not too bad, you know. For what it is, it's not bad at all. It runs pretty good. The tires are fine. The only problem I've been having with it so far is this one tire in the front. There's nothing wrong with the tire. I think it's just got a dirty bead on it, and I just need to have it cleaned and reseated and whatnot. But other than that, it's fine. It'll hold air for a while. It's a little soft right now, but not too bad. It's good enough to drive on. So yeah, I figured what I would do is take you all for a little jaunt around the yard. So there goes nothing. You might not hear my voice over the camera when it's running, but that's fine. Who listens to me anyway, right? Here goes nothing. Not very fast, that's for sure. Oh, there's a chicken. Well, there you have it, folks. It's a runner, driver. It's not very fast, but for a garden tractor, what do you expect? So, yep. Well, I think I've taken up most of your time. So, I will talk to you guys all later. See ya.